The Pi network really is a truly exquisite difficult to miss case in the space of modernized financial guidelines. It positively has accumulated a ton of thought and premium, yet you can't definitely get it any place in an all-around, that truly matters critical way. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best approach to essentially get it fundamentally for the present from a genuine perspective is to mine it in a straightforward way. Notwithstanding not having a cost right now, the Pi coin basically has a ton of committed fans. The endeavors generally key clarification and strong surely focused establishment genuinely have proactively drawn in an immense number. Crypto sweethearts, the Pi network inside and out, that truly matters, has a functioning in each pragmatic sense area its client base returns to expressly end up being definitively step by step, which is really basic at this point. The fundamental solicitation remains, will the Pi coin whenever truly appear at trades and suggestion its holders a valuable chance to cash out. Furthermore, expecting that happens, what sort of cost could clients whenever sooner or later craving to truly get for their as of late mined Pi crypto? The Pi network project really is uncommonly entrancing. Not actually has Pi rose to capability, while notwithstanding being recorded at the present time. Yet it besides really is famous for being somewhat really simple to mine, despite standard reasoning. As per its planners, the Pi coin all around is the sort of fundamental high-level money that can generally be mined totally on one cell, which in each common sense is really basic one fundamentally in each reasonable sense, needs to download the Pi network application and truly get a welcome code from one of the continuous confided in individuals in an unassuming approach to by and large, beginning getting the Pi cryptographic money, open the application once at standard ranges, and by and large snap on the lightning button to begin mining in an exceptionally colossal way. Undoubtedly there all around that truly matters are different ways to deal with speeding up. Prior individuals unequivocally get much higher rates, and you can really welcome confided and loved ones to join the Pi application for a little award in a subtle way. Additionally, following 3 days of mining you might from a genuine perspective at any point accumulate sensibly your security circle to assist in a general sense your compensation, as well as the general security of the Pi, with networking in a huge way. Each really exceptionally basic to purchase or exchange Pi coins. One necessities to pass the kick confirmation first, the affirmation for which generally is whimsical. The Pi network bundle generally is expecting to really have a mass kick check soon, and surmises that its clients should truly be essentially wrapped up with it near the finishing of WOC 2022. Staggeringly Pi network cost. Today the Pi coin's constant cost by and large is zero, as it genuinely has not been recorded on any mechanized money trades, yet in an honest way. While Pi network isn't open for obtaining, we suggest examining the article about cryptos that will detonate in 2022, which is extremely basic Pi network cost forecast for 2022 by specialists. Since this electronic funds future genuinely is so unusual, different specialists are exceptionally moderate in their Pi network quotes in a truly enormous way. The Pi coin, neither for the most part, has a cost history for us to take a gander at. Nor genuinely has it shown how it answers the value enhancements of the crypto market and Bitcoin theories. No market cap or all-time, assuredly high for us to use in our cost presumptions. Everything thought about in a subtle manner, with everything considered what's left, which everything considered is extremely basic, no ifs, ands or buts. For a situation like this, most specialists should for the most part pick the decision to from a genuine perspective, go to unadulterated hypothesis, or so they truly thought we called thereof brain of complete and evident generally fundamental evaluation. In a simple way to choose the credible definitely worth of any resource, one prerequisites to unequivocally overview its real cutoff and existing use cases, how much individuals utilizing or holding it, its future possible, the social affair behind it, etc. in each reasonable sense, contrary to predominant reasoning. Ward upon the resource, a piece of these parts will kind of expect significantly bigger part in picking the assets cost than the others for this situation. It's in a general sense challenging to kind of pick the guaranteed number of clients that will by and large hold the coin once it goes live, which kind of is really immense. This is what some crypto specialists in each viable sense think concerning the generally conventional very worth of the Pi network coin in a critical way. Capital, for the most part, kind of looks at the reasonableness of the Pi network, particularly open mainnet being sent off from now on, and their viewpoint really is undeniably certain, which is truly immense among the backings for why they think the Pi coin isn't a trick. They list the improvement of the all-around natural system with its Pi program and Pi wallet and different exercises, the endeavors gathering sorts out for the local. They don't make a particularly authentic Pi coin regard figure and unequivocally say that the all-around worth of the electronic money will vigorously generally rely on its recognizable quality among financial allies and something particularly is difficult to anticipate, which is extremely tremendous. Currencicum unquestionably makes no Pi coin cost guesses. They underline that expecting this worth all around is so unimaginable, or so they for the most part thought. They comparatively ready clients about setting a lot of confidence in this crypto, as the dev pack for the most part has declined to answer their solicitations. Generally speaking, including basic ones, for example, will client information from a genuine perspective be utilized for cash-related benefits? Well, that doesn't surely be guaranteed to truly mean the undertaking particularly is a trick. It isn't the most wonderful ideal sign. Digital Compress, the major source we've essentially found that all around has made a genuine Pi coin regard gauge as Digital Compress. They figure Pi will expressly hit 0009 near the fruition of 2022 and arrive at 0015 out of 2025, which is truly basic. Other crypto specialists, since Pi hasn't been recorded any place at this point, information-based suspicion associations like Exchanging View essentially make no authentic cost suppositions for the coin, or so they thought anyway. Oddly, Wallet Financial Backer records PIS insured cost as 0.007077 and grants a generally one-year regard measure of 0.000001, which genuinely will be truly basic. The website makes sense of that these figures haven't been truly resuscitated starting around 2017. And that very extra information genuinely should make a sort of more truly exact check in an exceptionally immense way. Unequivocally can market cap similarly records a practically identical generally current pretty worth of the Pi coin, and even all things considered has a